Where does a voice go after it leaves your mouth? It sounds like it vanishes, but the air is already busy. When you talk or clap, you shake the air around you. Those shakes are so small you cannot see them, but they move fast. Each bit of air bumps the next, so the wiggle keeps passing along. That is how a whisper can reach someone across the room, even when you never see anything travel. Your ear catches those bumps and hands the message to your brain. Then your brain says, "That is a laugh," or "That is a bang," or "That is Mom calling you." Here's the twist. Sound does not fly through the air like a bird. It travels as a shake, one tiny bump at a time. And the air does the carrying, so sound travels because air can pass vibrations from one place to another. That is why you hear a whisper from far away, and if the air stopped wiggling, the whole world would go quiet. Now think of the loudest sound you know, and ask yourself, what is the air doing right now?